Welcome to English grammar class. In this class, we are going to know about letter writing. Letters are an important form of written communication. They are written to express our ideas, information, message. Letters are of two kinds. They are formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters. These are written in formal and decent language and follow certain rules. These are also called official letters. These are written to officials and business associates. Informal letters. These are called personal letters. These are written to friends and family members. Format of the letter. The format is very important for writing a letter. Three types of formats used in writing letters. They are indented format, blocked format, fully blocked format. Indented format. From address and to address start from the left margin. Date, leave taking, right margin. Subject and body of the letter starts from 5 spaces from left margin. Punctuation marks are used in from address to address, salutation and complimentary close. This is the example of indented format. Observe the format carefully. In this format, you need to write place date, top right hand corner of the page. Below that, left hand side, you need to write from address. After that, to address. Below that, greeting or salutation. Below that, subject or reference. After that, you need to start the body of the letter. The body of the letter should be in 3 paragraphs. It should be begin with 5 spaces. Below the body of the letter, you need to write subscription, right side bottom of the page. Below the subscription, you need to do signature. Blocked format. Everything starts from the left margin except date, which is towards right margin. Punctuation marks are omitted except in the body of the letter. This is the example of blocked format. Observe the format carefully. In this format, except date, everything starts from left margin. Except body of the letter, punctuation marks are omitted. That means we no need to write punctuation marks in date, from, to address, subscription, superscription. Only we should follow these punctuation marks in body of the letter. Fully blocked format. Everything, including the date, starts from the left margin. Punctuation marks are omitted except in the body of the letter. This is the example of fully blocked format. In this format, everything should start from left margin. Punctuation marks are omitted except in the body of the letter. All of you observe the fully blocked format carefully. Any one of 3 formats can be used in writing letters. At present, fully blocked format is followed for formal and informal letters. Parts of a letter. A letter, either formal or informal, consists of 5 parts. They are heading, greeting, body of the letter, subscription, superscription. Heading. It consists of 3 parts. They are sender's address, date, receiver's address. Greeting or salutation. In official letters, we use sir or madam. In business letters, we use dear sir or dear madam. In informal letters, my dear father, my dear brother, dear Ramu. These are the greetings we use in letters. Body of the letter. It is the content of a letter. It should be written in 3 paragraphs. Beginning, you should write introduction, main content in second paragraph. In that main content, you should write details. In third paragraph, it is ending. You should write conclusion about the details. Subscription. It is called leave taking. To officials or businessmen, you need to write yours faithfully. To principals or headmasters or teachers, you need to write yours obediently. To strangers, you should write yours truly. To blood relatives, you should write yours lovingly. To friends, you should write yours lovingly. Superscription. It is called address on the envelope. It is not required for formal letters. Subject. It is used in formal letters. Reference. It is used in job letters. It is better to use the following two formats in the examination point of view. These are traditional formats. This is the example of official letter format. Observe the format carefully. Place date written top right hand side of the page. Below that left hand side from address to address, greeting or salutation, subject or reference should be written. After that, you should start body of the letter with 5 spaces. It should be written in 3 paragraphs. Below the body of the letter, you should write thanking you sir in official letters. Below that, you should write subscription, right hand side bottom of the page. Below that, you should do your signature. In this letter, you no need to write to address at the end of the letter. This is the example of personal letter format. In this letter, place date should be written top right hand side of the page. Below that, left hand side, you need to write greeting or salutation. After greeting or salutation, you should start the body of the letter with 5 spaces. It should be in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph should be introduction. In second paragraph, main content. Third paragraph, conclusion. After that, you need to write convey my regards to. This should be written in personal letters only. This is the complete information about letter writing. I hope all of you understood about letter writing. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you all.